For writing today, we are again writing about what we read in our reading assignment. So make sure you did your reading assignment before you do your writing assignment. The two books that we read are Zin, 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 A Violin by Lloyd Moss, and All About Sound by Lisa Trumbauer. So, as usual, you can use both of the books when you are doing your writing responses, or you can use one of the books. It's up to you. So, if you need to go back and reread the books, please go back to the reading assignment and click on the link. That's what good readers and writers do if they need to. For I notice, you think about something you found interesting in one or both of the books, and then your sentence starter can be I notice. Don't forget a capital and a period. For I wonder, you're thinking about a question that you had as you read, or before you read, or after you read. Your sentence starter can be I wonder. Don't forget a capital and a period. For the last one, this book reminds me of. That can be your sentence starter. And you're thinking about what did the book remind you of? What connection did you make to your own life? This book reminded me of. When you are all done and each sentence has a capital and a period and you have checked your work, then press the X and then press the blue Turn It button.